Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and off Cortana for Windows 10. So I linked in the description the line of code you're going to need to disable her, and also I already have disabled Cortana, so this is already disabled. But for you guys, if you haven't already turned her off, then Cortana will be around here. Anyway, let's get into this. So first of all, you're going to want to click on the Cortana bar. For me, it's a search magnifying glass, and then you're going to want to type in reg edit. Reg edit. You're going to want to click on it. And if you're not the administrator, you might have to enter a password, but for me, I'm the administrator. And then you get to this place. All these things you don't need to worry about. All you need to do is erase all of this, and then copy and paste the line of code I linked in the description. So then you're going to, so I just copy pasted that, press enter, and then you're going to want to right click on the selected windows, click new, and key. And you're going to want to label this key Windows space search. Press enter, and then make sure that folder is selected, and then you're going to want to right click on it, click new, and dword 32-bit value. Once you have that, you're going to want to name it, allow Cortana, and then simply press enter. After you've done that, right click it, modify, and it'll by default be on 0, but if you want to re-enable Cortana, you're going to want to type in 1, and then Cortana will reappear there in the taskbar here. But if you want to disable her, you're going to want to put the value at 0. Simply press OK and close reg edit. You're going to have to restart your computer for these changes to occur, but yeah, it's that simple. And remember, if you want to re-enable Cortana, you're going to have to change the value back to 1. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.